Chef Moxe, thank you so much for having me in your kitchen. I feel very honored. This is lovely here and I know that you are amazing at what you do. So we are making your favorite dish. What is that?
Okay, my favorite dish today is a homemade pasta, which is tagliatelle with some garlic and ginger creamy prawn.
Tell me, what are we doing? I see some dough right here. Are you making your own pasta?
Yes, I make my own pasta here using an all-purpose flour, and then some eggs, olive oil, and a little bit of water. So all you need to do to get a nice dough, you have to when you knead it, 7 minutes, then you're gonna get a nice, perfect pasta.
Yeah.
I'm gonna roll it up using my rolling pin. So now it's ready. This is the thing that we need. I'm gonna use this pizza cutter. So I'm gonna cut it in stripes like this.
So everything's cut now, the pasta's ready. What happens next?
So what you do now, I'm gonna add a little bit salt on my water there,
Okay,
boiling water.
All right,
Yes.
just a tad.
So I'm gonna put in my pasta.
Oh, like it.
So this will take 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay.
Then it's done.
Okay, the table is cleaned and I'm very excited to see how you make your world famous sauce for the prawn pasta. So it is important to do the prawns first and then the sauce comes in afterwards.
So you don't have to use lots of oil.
Oh, I see, okay. So this is butter, hey?
It's
Not
butter.
margarine, butter.
Not margarine, yes.
Oh, look how quickly they fry, hey?
Yes. Then I'm gonna put my fish spice.
Fish spice.
So you can put whatever spice you have.
Okay. And we're not shy with the spice. You can gooi.
Yes.
Okay. Prawns out.
Yes.
Alrighty.
So now we can fry the garlic, ginger.
Alrighty.
Yes.
1 teaspoon.
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
Yes.
I don't think you can ever have enough garlic. I love garlic.
Okay, so
what's
now you can pass me the cream.
Cream coming up. There we go.
So we can heat up like a minute. Then we're gonna add our prawns. Now we're gonna add parmesan.
Okay.
Yes.
1,
2 full teaspoons. Then my chicken spice.
chicken spice.
1 teaspoon. It's 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
And now we're adding the pasta to the sauce.
The sauce. Yes.
Fantastic. Go for it. So how do we finish this off? What do you need from me?
So that
Parsley or
parsley,
chopped up?
Chopped up. Sun-dried tomato.
This looks yum.
Okay.
Okay. So Chef Moxe, this is your famous prawn pasta.
Yes. So it's done. Now it's ready to eat.